What is up, YouTube? Super excited to be talking to you guys again. It's been a quick second here, hasn't it? Now, are you going to Affiliate Summit? Are you going to Affiliate Summit? I don't know if you guys know about me. Take a break. I took a break from YouTube. I'm so focused on my money right now. We just bought a house out in Malibu. It's actually a small ranch. We got horse stables. We got 4 acres. 4 acres. It's up in the hills in Malibu, so it's like in the mountains. It's kind of rural. It's right next to Malibu Creek State Park, if you know where that is. But John's gonna get some horses. He's gonna get some goats. He's gonna get all this cool stuff, which I'm really stoked about. But it's a whole process buying a house. But I want to know, are you going to Affiliate Summit? As you guys know, my business is that. So if you guys are gonna be out in New York, this week, I'm flying out tomorrow night, red eye, baby. Flying out, gonna have a drink, get a drink, pass out on the plane, and I'm gonna wake up in New York, and I am excited to hang out with affiliate marketers, with other marketers, with whatever. Guys, looking forward to it. We had over 40 separate affiliates make over $1,000 sales this month with Super Affiliate System, with my program that teaches affiliate marketing. People are being affiliates for my program. Over 40 people this month made $1,000 sales. What is up, people? That is amazing. So we're super excited. Program's been exploding. Success. First timers are making commissions of hundreds and hundreds of dollars a day. It is exciting stuff, people. I'm super excited to meet some of my fans, to meet some of my tribe, to meet some of my business partners, to meet some of the people, my mentors out in Affiliate Summit. If you're going, let me know. I'm gonna be there. Look out for the beard, look out for the ginger beard. You'll spot me in the crowd, and hit me up on this channel. Let me know where you're going. Let me know what parties you're going to. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be wearing my swag. I'm gonna be doing my thing. I'm coming out locked and loaded with tons of cash, because we're gonna have fun. We're gonna party. We're gonna mix and mingle and do the whole affiliate marketing thing, right? So hit me up if you're gonna be there. I also want to say, stay tuned for new videos. I am seriously lagging on my YouTube efforts, guys. We have amazing stuff going on with my program. I'm gonna be releasing more training soon. We just did it's gonna be backwards here, but I did a training with my friend Stefano Mangardi. We did for the Italian YouTubers. That's why it looks like it's not in English right here, because it's for the Italian YouTubers, and that's a joke. But basically, we're gonna be doing lots of training soon for YouTube. I'm gonna be teaching you guys about urgency. You gotta do this now. I'm gonna be teaching you guys about scarcity, different marketing tactics. We're gonna have fun. I'm also going to be talking about some of the crazy stuff we're doing with our virtual worlds. If you guys are not already a member of Super Affiliate System, sign up. Sign up down below and get on the free training. The free training is where I talk about what it takes to be an affiliate marketer and make shitloads of money. As you guys see, look at this. Look at this. We just got some new office space. We're going to be filling desks soon. I don't know if any of you follow me on LinkedIn, you'll see that people don't follow me on LinkedIn. But you'll see we are hiring so many posts out here in Santa Monica. We're hiring media buyers. We're hiring outreach, what we call JV outreach. We are hiring sales people and appointment setters. We're hiring tons of people to stock all these things. Young people, ambitious, young, hungry, motivated, not outsourced, guys. We want people sitting right there. Because when John Crestani cracks the whip, he cracks the whip hard. We want you guys working. We want fun stuff. So if you guys are excited to be part of the movement, subscribe. Check me out at Affiliate Summit. Let me know in the comments if you guys are headed to Affiliate Summit. If you're not headed to Affiliate Summit, I'm headed to ClickBank Platinum Partners event. Many of you aren't ClickBank Platinum Partners yet because you have to be making over $1 million to be a ClickBank Platinum Partner. ClickBank does a couple $2 billion a year in sales of of info products. So that's the amount of money that internet marketers make per year just on ClickBank. So it's a huge, so there's a lot of people doing that. It's really exciting. And yeah, we're gonna have some more fun. So looking forward to connecting more with you guys in the future. Looking forward to teaching you guys marketing stuff that works, that makes money. Looking forward to teaching you guys how to just be a part of everything and start making money online. Life is a lot more fun when you're making money, and my students are crushing it right now. They're crushing it. So we're gonna have some fun. I'm gonna be showing you guys how you too can be an affiliate marketer and make shitloads of cash. Start living the internet lifestyle. For me, I'm married, right? So I'm not traveling as much. That's why my new hobby is building a business, is filling desks, is taking young, usually they're like annoying like kids, and turning them into money machines for my company, and turning you guys who aren't in Santa Monica into money machines for whatever affiliate program you're a part of. So guys, talk to you soon. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you're going to Affiliate Summit. I'd love to meet up with some people there. I'm headed to the Alex Becker Mastermind. I'm gonna be hanging out with my